Another big aspect of the Catalyst platform that we focused in on is serviceability. With serviceability, you need to remove your side panels and hood very easily. We've got 3 quarter turns from the simple aspect of no tools. Key in slots like the Sender plastics. Go over the other side panel. Unplug your hood. 2 simple quarter turns here and here. Pull your tabs out. And a simple hood latch up front. There you go. Belt storage. Covered underneath the headlight. Belt that gets retained by these plastic features here. Don't need a zip tie or Velcro or anything. Easy to access when the hood's still on the snowmobile, but as you can see, easy to get off. For the reinstall, go back in here. Put your tabs down in the back. Simply just, and it's on. The side panels go on.